Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss union and intersection. Next thing to understand is union and intersection. Let's say we have A, B, C and all events of an experiment, obviously of an random experiment, of an experiments, I'll say experiments sample space. Let's say sample space is S. Now union represented, like if you are talking about A and B, it is represented as A union B is actually, so union of A and B is like all the outcomes or point which is either in A or B or both. That means possibly if we have 10 outcomes and A has 2 outcomes, like A, 2 outcomes come into the category of A, 2 outcomes come into the category of B and so on, then union of A and B means the points or the outcomes which is coming under A also, and which is coming under B also, and which is coming under both, right? Similarly, intersection. A intersection B. This is all the or points all the outcomes points which are in both A and B together. So it should be in A and it should be in B also. Let's understand this with an example. Let's say we have the experiment, random experiment, that is throwing a dice, right? And let's say obviously the sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's say event A is anything less than equal to 4. A is anything less than equal to 4. So that means it consists of 1, 2, 3 and 4 also. And then B is anything greater than 3. So B is greater than 3. That means greater than 3 is 4, 5 and 6. Now if we check A union B, these are the events which are in A or B or both. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4 is already there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is in both the events, so we'll count it once, and 5 and 6. So somewhere it is covering the entire sample space. So we can say this is entire sample space. And then A intersection B means something which is in A and B both. So again we can see we have this 4 in both A and B. So A intersection B means 4 in this case. So if we had to find the probability of A union B would have been number of it's like number of event is like 6, number of sample is also 6, so 6 by 6 is equal to 1, and probability of A intersection B will be the number of event is 1, the number of events in sample space is 6, so 1 by 6. Now of course we can represent this in the form of Venn diagram also. So let's see how. Let's see. Let's see for A union B. If this is the sample space, this is your A, this is B. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is your sample space. Then for A union B means either in A or in B or in both. So obviously this is the region covered under A, this is the region covered under B, so entire shaded region is A union B. Whereas in case of intersection, we'll look for what is in both A and B. So let's see. Let's say this is A, B, and this entire is sample space. So what comes under A is this one, and what comes under B, let's say this one, right? So overall we can see that what is in both A and B is this region. This is in both A and B. So we can say this, like color wise, if I am mentioning, this is the green region. So this is the intersection.